Hi, Ben here, and here are 3 things we love about this Hoover tumble dryer. It's got a spacious interior, automatically shuts off after drying, and it can be checked remotely. Its large 9 kilo interior makes it easy to dry all your clothes from one wash load, saving you plenty of time and energy from running multiple cycles. With sensor dry technology, you'll be able to dry your clothes to precise levels of dryness. Plus, it'll save you loads of energy as it automatically shuts off once that dryness level has been met. You can also check on each drying cycle, check on energy consumption, choose a program, or even start the machine remotely when utilizing its Hoover Wizard companion app on your smartphone or tablet. If you'd like to find out more, you can visit us in-store, online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.